Alright guys, real quick before this video started, I just want to take a quick second to say thanks again American Muscle for the free mufflers. It's awesome. But that being said, I'd actually like to take the opportunity and pass these along to someone else that might be able to use them better. I'd actually like to do a giveaway with these, but not without asking for you guys' help first. So from the moment this video goes live, you have until August 30th at midnight to help me get 500 likes on this video, as well as get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. I want to be able to monetize this channel again. And if you all are able to help me do that, then I'd love to be able to give back to you all by doing this giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, you just need to be following me on Instagram. I'll tag that right there. And when I make the post about the free exhaust, if we meet the requirements, then all you have to do is like the picture and then comment on the picture, free exhaust, and you'll be entered to win. At which point I will actually be doing a live video on Instagram to do the drawing for the winner. And I'll do that on September 1st at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right after we have arrived at Mustang Week. If you happen to be the winner for the AWE mufflers, the only thing that I would ask is that you either pay for the shipping or be willing to pick up the mufflers in person. And if for whatever reason we're not able to meet those requirements, then I will still be selling the mufflers either way. And 650 bucks takes them. They're basically brand new. You literally saw me unbox them and they were on the car for those few test drives for sound clips, and that's about it. So just a little public service announcement. With that, let's get back to the video. See, we have a nice big box over here. We have some AWE mufflers that I actually picked up from American Muscle. I won the contest, so they sent them out to me for free, so I'm pretty excited about that. So we're gonna unbox and install those on the Mustang, which you're sitting on top of right now, and we're gonna do a sound comparison between the Borla S-Type quad mufflers that I have and compare that to the new AWE exhaust and see how it sounds. First up, they actually sent this little box with it, so we'll open that and see what we got going on. Oh, okay. Brian, congrats on the exhaust win. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. Your friends at AWE. Thanks, guys. Nice little card. And next up, looks like we have this AWE shirt. So, I guess you know what that means, right? Gotta rock the shirt for the install. There we go, AWE shirt. I mean, not a bad shirt, but considering what we're doing, we're gonna rock the AWE. It's actually a lot lighter weight too, which is nice because it is hot and humid today. Oh, looks like we got a blow pop and some stickers that the blow pop melted on.
Oh, melted?
Yeah. But yeah, cool little coffee mug. Alright, that's about it for the care package. Official blow pop review.
It's a little melted, but...
A little melted.
That's okay.
That's okay. Watermelon blow pop. That's a pretty nice little touch that they do that. Alright, so let's get to the part that you guys actually care about. Open this bad boy up. Ooh. 180 technology by AWE. They look pretty nice. So this is probably going to be the tips and the hardware for attaching the tips.
Oh, another blow pop!
2 blow pops for the price of 1. Not bad.
So shiny.
That's cool. So these are probably 4.5-inch tips if I had to guess. Most of the time they are. These are nice. T-bolt clamps, that's the best kind of clamp you can get. Good stuff. What's funny is they even have the cutout in their foam for the blow pop. Alright, next up, gotta get the car in the air. If you guys haven't checked out the quick jacks yet, I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing it wrong. That's all I gotta say, because these things are choice, dude. Alright guys, for this install, it's pretty much the same as all the other ones. Like I've shown it a number of times now. 1 clamp per muffler. You just want to get that loosened, and you do gotta reuse them. So you gotta take the clamp off. So I usually just loosen it enough to bring it down onto the muffler side. And then what I recommend is you just pull the hangers off with the muffler. So there's 2 bolts on this side, 3 on the other. Also, if you never go fast and just burn up your tires like me, this is a great opportunity to go ahead and clean all the rubber underneath your car. Just got my rubber mallet, knock that free from the over axle pipe. There we go. Got this supported. We're just going to spray a little bit of WD-40 or similar lubricant onto the hanger to slide it out on the side. Go. Also something I recommend, throw a tile or microfiber, something along those lines on the tips to protect them when pulling it off the car so you don't damage the tips, because that's like the best part of the muffler. Next step, now we have the mufflers off, we're going to take these hangers and transfer them to the new muffler. Now that we got the hanger swapped over and the clamps swapped over as well, we're going to go ahead and reinstall. And just want to get some good lubrication on these hangers, because one thing I'm noticing about the AWE is these hangers are significantly thicker than Orla's are. You gotta actually really give them some gumption to get them started. It's got the 2 bolts that you gotta reattach, and that's pretty much it. The camera died, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. I got the mufflers all bolted up now. So they're now in place. We just got to put the tips on, and then we will be set. Alright, so the goal with these tips is not to have them perfect, just to get them on in a manner that I can bolt them down and they won't melt my diffuser. Alright. Takes just long enough to finish your blow pop. Choice. Let's give it a first start. Don't sound that bad, but when you heard it start, these are going to be loud as fuck. Holy dude, that's that. First impressions, we will be driving it in the morning, not right now, because that's just like ignorantly loud. It didn't sound bad. We'll see what it is, you know, how it is driving. But first impressions, yeah, I don't know. I am absolutely going back to those, because that's ridiculous. But yeah, cue the exhaust clips now. All right, so we're gonna go for our first drive, and probably only drive with these mufflers on the car, and give you some in-car sounds to get you an idea. God. It does have a similar tone.
It does, actually.
But it's higher pitched when you open it up. On idle, it sounds similar. Everything else, it does not. Oh my God. Yo, it really barks now.
Yeah, it does.
Holy shit.
Like my face is just like...
I want to like it, but I can't.
Oh. Sorry.
He was looking like... Not neighborhood friendly.
Not neighborhood.
Not on a full setup. I can see these sounding really good on like a catback setup. But anything more, I'm not accelerating quick. I'm casually. That's just rolling into it a little bit. not that bad cruising. It's a little bit louder, but there's not like that resonating drone sound in the cabin where it just sounds like your ears are going to be bleeding. But let me get it to 80, because that's where.
Yeah, it's a little worse, but not as bad.
Yeah, it's really not that bad. I will say, like, I was really nervous about the drone, but I know that the AWE mufflers, they have that 180 technology. It's meant to be like drone proof. So I think it actually does a pretty good job considering how fucking obnoxious they sound regularly. It's definitely higher pitched and certainly more raspy.
Yeah.
Okay, so in conclusion, those are, they do sound good. However, there is no chill on a full free-flowing setup, I will say that. So if you want to be like the loudest you can be in town without being a muffler delete, those are the way to go. I will definitely say that. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to hit the like button, if not for the exhaust, and at least for the dog, and if not for the dog, at least for my hot wife, because huge shout out to her for helping me film all that shenanigans. That was in Mexico. That was a good time. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If it's your first time here, you can ring the bell to be notified when I post videos like this, and definitely stay tuned for more awesome content. Peace out, we'll catch you next time.